Continue reading.
Okay.
Okay. Oh.
It's
Am.
Ham. Jam. Dum. Pum. Thumb.
Job. Oh. Pangit mo. Sige na.
I'll read the faces.
You're done to phrases. The next is sentence. Sentences.
Sentences.
Yes.
Sentences. Sentences.
Okay. Good job.
Some has a jam. Sabi ako, dada.
Dada. Mali yun. Da lang. Da.
The jam is in the jar.
Good job.
It's in the jar.
Yes. It's in the jar. Go. Continue.
Whoa,
Go.
here.
Number. What number?
2.
Number 2. Go.
Number 3, I said.
Number 2. Okay, number 3 na pala. Number 3.
I thought it in the number 2.
Okay, sige.
Palm is in the dam.
Yes. Good job.
The ham is for
Mali.
the ham is for Pam.
Good job.
But
Yes.
there is Pam.
There's a spam. Yes. Hold the ham.
Yes,
Yes.
you got it.
Go. Continue.
What the?
Oh, continue.
What is in here? What
What's
is
that?
that?
It's a jam.
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 And-
Ham.
In the volume of the jam.
It's Pam. What's that? I don't know. Go.
Palms.
Pam's.
Ham.
Pam's ham. Oh, go.
He's have a ham.
Wow. Oh, continue. Oh, masisira. Oh, go. Read the paragraph.
Paragraph.
Hmm.
This is the paragraph and this is.
This is the paragraph. Oh, go.
And this one is
Read ka na. Dito tayo sa paragraph.
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 Oh, go.
Ham has a ham.
Good job.
What's that?
Sound it. She. Good job.
She puts a jam on the ham.
Go.
The ham is in the jar. Pam gives the ham with a jam to
Two.
some.
Good job.